Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change Snapchat Bitmoji gender. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here is of course open up your Snapchat app. Now, once you're in here, what you're going to want to do is to tap on your profile right here at the top. Alright, this one, tap on that. Next, what you're going to want to do is go to this gear icon right here at the top right. Tap on that as well. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see the option Bitmoji right here. Tap on that. Right, as you can see here, I have a male Bitmoji. So what I'm going to do to change the gender is you're going to want to go ahead and unlink your Bitmoji, all right here at the bottom, and hit on remove. All right, now it will prompt you to create your avatar. Just go ahead and do that. And all right, as you can see here, selecting a new gender will be available. Let's go ahead and select the new gender, and that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.